This one we would be looking at is the natural gas, which means NATGAS, natural gas. Now let's see, to get this analysis properly again, we would start it from the weekly time frame. One of the best time frame to actually look at it from, to actually get understand the price properly. So if we are to zoom it out once again, we are on a bullish move. This was a bullish move since 2020. This price has actually been going up on this natural gas. So price has actually been rolling up. Then it's actually got to some one level which it's actually rejected. Right, we saw the price came to this level, then we saw this massive drop, and price actually roll up to that same level. Basically, it's actually broke above it. You all can see this price here. It's actually broke above it. So this was the previous highs, which means this highs here actually broke above it. So I mean, notice that. Now we can see this drop on this our natural gas. What are we expecting after this drop is an impulse move, right? So I highlighted this key level here on the weekly time frame down here, which we would be taking as a pullback level, or we can see it as a support level. Reason why I highlighted it is because this is actually a key level. Once we add this impulse move to that level, we saw a pullback at that level before we add a breakout of it. After we add a breakout of it, price actually dropped again to it came to that level. So basically, reason why I highlighted that level, so we can take it as a pullback level, or we can take it as a support level. The main goal is that this will actually serve as a level for us. So now drop down to this daily time frame. If you are to zoom it properly, we would see that we are kind of have like a ranging market move. We saw if price comes to this highs, we see it drop again, it will come to this size. Basically, you can see it come to this lows before we add this huge impulse move, right? So basically, that is it we kind of highlighted that level on this daily time frame. Now on this our natural gas, we can see that price has now dropped to that level, and now it is giving us a bullish move. Reason why we have this huge wake here for today. Reason why we also closed green for today, because price has dropped to the level we highlighted, we once talked about, which we can see as the resistance, as a support level, or as a pullback level. So the price has gotten to that level, and now we've actually had this movement upward. So I still believe we'll continue to have that movement upward again the next day on this natural gas. So at least, if in case, as our reason, I'll give you two reasons, is that basically if we are to take it as a support level, right? Once the price comes to the support level, we are expecting a bullish move, right? That is reason number one. If this movement, as we all can see here, is a bearish move, which means price is actually giving us that bearish move, then we should be getting a pullback, which will be a bullish move. So reason number two why we're very much likely to close bullish. Now take a look at this. There was an impulse move downward. We had a correction here, and there was another impulse move, right? Then a correction was made. We had another impulse move. If you have to see it, the impulse move here actually broke below this lower lows here, as we all can see. The impulse move broke below the lower low, so we should be expecting a pullback. So I mean, if you are to be expecting a pullback, we should be expecting a pullback to a next level. We should be we should actually look for. I think this is the level we should actually look for the price to actually pull back to. That should be here. That should be about 8512. So we are currently at 7.902. If the price can actually roll to 8.512 before we continue to go bearish, then fine. Above all, natural gas, we are expected to actually go bullish for the next day, which is on the 20th. And now the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is kind of like a pullback level. If you are to analyze it from here, an impulse move, we had a correction here, there was an impulse move, and now we are on a correction level on the 4-hour time frame. So basically, we should see that correction level to take out this lows, previous pullback level. So I mean, there was a pullback that happened at this level. Now we are having a correction. At least the correction to actually take out this level and possibly roll up a little bit before we get a drop. So above all, since we are expecting a correction, which we actually go to take out that level, which means the correction is bullish. So daily time frame, the movement for the next day should actually open and close bullish.